Good afternoon, everyone. Since we're really focusing on the slides, I've chosen not to do in-video caption during the recording. I've chosen today to discuss confirmation bias as a part of organizational behavior. According to Thompson, confirmation bias is the tendency for people to consider evidence that supports their position, hypothesis, or desires, and discount or completely disregard equally valid evidence that refutes their beliefs. Even if people who have fallen into confirmation bias receive unsupportive data, they'll maintain and sometimes even increase their stance for their side or their belief. They tend to develop tunnel vision to maintain their argument, again, even though there's equally valid information to support the opposite side. So take a moment and kind of look at this slide to depict confirmation bias. An executive who would like to increase the number of hours of work to yield more production. However, there is other evidence that supports promising tests and evidence that yields that a work-life balance or a 4-day work week yields a higher production in the workplace. My thought-provoking question is, when making an organizational decision and research supports both sides, how will you determine the best change for your organization? Thank you.